In this video, we will review the process for leveraging FIDO2 for public key authentication over SSH using the popular command line tool from SSH, as well as the GUI interface provided by PuTTY. The first step is to generate the public and private key pair used for SSH and bind the private key to your iShield security key using SSH. On a Windows workstation with the SSH components installed, open a command prompt and insert your iShield key. Type the command presented above to generate and bind these credentials to your iShield key. If prompted, type Y and press Enter. Select the security key option, then click Next. Simply follow the prompts. You will be required to either supply the PIN or create a new PIN based on the current state of your security key. Simply touch the sensor on the back of your iShield key to complete the process, then click OK to close the final dialog. Once returned to the command prompt, provide and confirm the passphrase used to protect your private key. We can view our newly generated private key by running the iShield Key Manager as an administrator. From the dashboard, on the FIDO2 card, click the Browse button and supply your PIN. Your SSH key is now available in one of the 300 FIDO slots supported by your iShield security key. In this video, I will be using the WinSCP utility to copy the public key to the target server. Let's return to our command prompt and use SSH to connect to our server. Now run the SSH command with the -i argument followed by the name of your private key file and the target user account. The current version of SSH will prompt for the private key's passphrase before redirecting to the iShield key. Again, select security key and then enter your PIN. You are now connected to the target server. Now let's look at PuTTY, a popular tool used by administrators to perform SSH operations. PuTTY also supports public key authentication over SSH using private keys bound to a security key. Launch PuTTY to create a new session. Expand SSH, expand certificate, and click the button for FIDO tools. Give the application a name, followed by an optional display name. Click the button to create a new SSH key pair. Select security key, next, follow the prompts, and provide your PIN. Touch your security key to confirm user presence. Once finished, click OK and assign that key to this session. We can open the iShield Key Manager and view the newly created key. From the FIDO2 card on the dashboard, click the Browse button. Provide your PIN and click the Login button. Both the SSH and the key created by PuTTY are displayed. We're ready to authenticate to our session using the security key. On the menu, click Certificates, check the box for key authentication, then click Set FIDO Key. Both keys are available for selection. We'll simply select the initial key that we created as it's already on the server. Go to the Session menu item and provide the hostname or IP address, then click Open. Provide the username for the target system, then select the option for security key, provide the PIN, and then touch your security key. Notice that a passphrase is not required when using security key authentication within PuTTY. We hope you benefited from this video, as Swissbit looks forward to supporting you on your passwordless journey.